I'm Learn About Trades, and today I'm in Grand Cayman. We are driving over right now. Oh, we are getting off the top. I can do that. Can I just go that way? To find the meeting point for our tour, the instructions say that it's in a gazebo across from Sharky's, which looks like it's right here. And yep, there's the Am Vivo sign. This is the place we're supposed to meet up, so we'll wait here till they come and get us. Well, we discovered that Grand Cayman is in a different time zone than the East Coast. I really thought that I looked it up because I was actually hoping that they were an hour behind so we could sleep an hour longer. But apparently I did that wrong. So we've got 45 minutes before our tour heads off or meets. So we're just gonna wander around a little bit. There's a lot of shopping that you can do right in port. Not necessarily anything local, but a lot of shopping. And it's all duty free, so that's kind of nice. Here's our air-conditioned tour bus.
Our first stop will be the Tortuga Rum Tour.
My tour has brought me here to Hell. It is a town in Grand Cayman that is named because of this crazy rock formations that are behind me. Basically, some people were visiting and said, oh, this must be what Hell looks like. And then it got a nickname, and there's gift shops, and there's actually even a post office right here. So it's now official that here we are in Hell. Earlier we visited the Tortuga Rum Factory. We got samples of 2 different flavors of rum cake and 2 different flavors of Tortuga rum. We skipped the buying any rum, but we are bringing home a chocolate rum cake. And then we drove through Camana Bay, which is a town with a lot of shops. We dropped some of the people in our group off at 7 Mile Beach. They're going to spend the rest of their day there. And then we proceeded here to Hell, and then we've got a few more stops. And then we're going to visit the West Bay Beach for a little bit before we head back to the ship. Husband bought these weird fruits called gnips. They eat them as you bite it. And it pops. Squeeze it open, sort of suck the meat off the seed, and then spit that seed out. So there's not a lot of fruit in there, but it's tasty. I think husband likes it better than me. I'm gonna stick with that being my one that I eat. He's enjoying them a lot. Our next stop is the Dolphin Discovery. We don't get to swim with the dolphins with this tour. We get to watch them swim around and take photos of them. So that'll be fun. Oh, there's Flipper. Oh, there's another one. Oh, look at him go. The dolphins are fun to watch, but there's not a whole lot going on. They have a couple of food items here, so we're going to get some fries because we didn't really eat yet today, and husband's going to try a local beer. And then just have a little bit to hang out here, use the Wi-Fi, and then head back to the car for our next stop. Oh, look at him go. Alright, that was cool. I'm going to stay here while husband gets our food. That was a nice little stop. The fries were pretty good. Husband likes his beer, but if we were to come back, he said he would probably try a different one just to be able to try different beers. So it wasn't so good that he needs to get it again, but he did enjoy it, so we can recommend that. We're gonna head back to the van and then be off to our next stop. Here we are at 7 Mile Beach, Calico Jack's. There's a bar. I'm sure they have food and drink. Souvenirs. We don't have anything included with this tour. We brought our towels off the ship, and we actually, since we're only going to be here for an hour, we didn't bring our suits, so we're just going to wade in a little bit. We're going to walk down a little ways, get away from the crowds maybe. This was the West Bay Sightseeing Tour and 7 Mile Beach visit. So we saw a lot of the island, all of the stops, and then we get an hour here at the beach. Had a good time. The guide gave us a lot of good information, interesting information about the island, and I don't know if I would do it again per se, but I do recommend it.